Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The next topic is creating a graphical hyperlink. These three topics are related. First one, we have done hyperlink with a text. Then we have given an anchor. Anchor is to move from top of the page to the bottom of the page or bottom to the top, right? And the third one is graphical hyperlink. Instead of image here you will give an instead of text here you will give an image as a hyperlink. Hyperlink is the image or a text. When you move your pointer on it, it becomes a sign like this. Okay, now we will discuss. You can also use an image as a hyperlink by using the image tag inside the A and A tags, right? An image that is a hyperlink, a href is equal to, here you can write that the URL, the HTTP unique address, the site address which you want to open. It's okay, we have done till here. We want to open google.com as in case of hyperlink. Okay, the next step is give image source smiley. This is not smiley, I use laptop dot jpg, and alternative text will be go to Google and then give the width, height and the border and then close the text. Now I have written this one. I show you my text like this. Top, go to this one, we have done already. Now here starts a href is equal to google.com, then image src laptop.jpg alt Google, then width 150 I have given, height 150, border 10, and the last I have written hi Asma. Okay, I will show you the output of it. Open the file. Here is the output of it. 8th class, 9th class, go to top. All the topics I have written in the same file, but once you are going to do, please do small portion of it. First you do the hyperlink, then run the file, then make another file, and then for anchor make another file, and then image make another file, because it will be very difficult for you to identify the errors in the file. Now this was the work done. I'll click on it and it will open Google site. Okay, I hope you have understood all that topics which I have taught today. And now I will tell you the question answers from the exercise. Thank you.